Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to make your website private on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to make it private on Hostinger, click on this dashboard button. Now scroll down to advanced and select password protect directories. Here you can set a password to limit access to your website or just parts of it. To limit or to make your whole website private, keep the directory as it is and fill in a username, then a password. For example, the username, I will go, for example, with .com.builders. For the password, I will use the same name and I will add something, for example, at 99. Let's use the at the end. Make sure to copy this password to not forget it. Now, as you see, I will make my whole website private. If I want to limit access to just a part of my website, click on this little directory icon, select the folder you want to limit access to, like that, and you will be selected and you will see it here. In my case, I want to make my whole website private. So this is what you should see, or what you should select or see. After that, click on protect. Directory protection created successfully. Now let's try to get access to my website and see what will happen. This is just the cache registered on the browser, so I need to refresh it. And just like that, I can't access my website. Let's try to open it on a different web browser, for example, Safari, blog.benstutorial.com. So as you see here, without the registered cache, I was directly asked for my username and password. Now let's fill in my username, dotcom builders, and here paste my code. Click on sign in, and after I after I fill in my username and password, I can access my website. And if you want to make your website public later, simply go back to your host H panel and go back to the same password protect directories page. You've set your username and password, and here you can see the usernames for your private website, and click on this delete button. Confirm delete. Directory protection deleted successfully. Now, if you try to access your website, you should access it without asking for a password. And this is how to make your website private on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.